students, let's understood about the cell division. See, so cell divisions take place in all the living organisms. So we started our life from a single cell. Now today's generation, we have billions and trillions of cells in our body. How they are forming? They are forming by division of cells, right? So with the help of the division of cells, daughter cells, which help in the growth, which help in the repair, also it helps to replacement of the damaged cells, and also it helps in the reproduction as well. There are two types of cell division. One is mitosis, another one is meiosis. So mitosis and meiosis, these are two forms of cell division. Now coming to the mitosis. When we are talking about mitosis, mitosis is the equational division. Why it's called equational division? From a single cell, two daughter cells will be forming and the chromosome number will be remain same in both the cases. In the generation 1, it will be also the same. In the generation 2, it will also be the same. So it's called equational divisions of chromosome. Now, if I'm talking about why the mitosis is happening for the growth of the tissue. Mitosis is happening for what thing? For the replacement of the damaged cell. This helps in various things. It also helps to maintain the number as well. So, in the what happens in the mitosis, daughter cells will be having same chromosome number, so that it is called what? Equisenal cell division. All the body cells having mitosis. The germ cells of the reproductive organs also divided by mitosis. So, germ cells of the reproductive organs divide by meiosis. So that here mitosis we cannot see, but we can see mitosis when the changes of number, or it helps in the growth and increase of number. Okay, for that case, it helps in the growth and repair. Now see, the mitosis helps two identical daughter formations from a single cell. Okay, it helps what? Formations of identical daughters, helps to replace old damaged cells, helps in asexual reproduction, produce new cells that are genetically identical. As you can see here, the chromosome numbers will be remain same after the cell division. But if we are talking about meiosis, what happens? From one cell, 4 daughter cells will be formed. And here chromosome number will be decreased, so that it's called reductional division. Okay, what is called? It's called reductional division. It helps occurs in the germ cell. It helps for the reproduction. It helps to maintain our chromosome number in our species. So what is the function? In meiosis, the cell undergoes two consecutive division. First one is meiosis 1. Second one is meiosis 2. Okay. Now see, the 4 daughter cells are formed from a single parent cell. Yes. The number of chromosomes will be half, so that it's called reductional divisions. Occurs only in germ cells of the reproductive organ. It helps in the reproduction. It occurs for the male in testes to produce sperms, for the female in ovary to produce ova or egg. In flowering plants, meiosis occurs in the anthers, and pollen grains are formed by that, which contains 2 haploid male gametes. Okay, it occurs in the anthers, in the spermatogonia cell. Okay, in the spermatogonia cell. Or we can call it, let's understood. So for the male body, we have spermatogonia cell in the testes. So inside of the spermatogonia cell, what is present? The sperms are occurring. Here the meiosis will take place. Okay. Now as the number of chromosomes in the germ cells are half, it's called reductional divisions as well. Okay. Now, what is the need of meiosis? First thing first, the body cells of multicellular organisms are diploid. They contain 2 sets of chromosomes. So, what happens when the meiosis occurs here? They becomes haploid. And they restore. The chromosome number. Because what happens? 2 haploid gametes, when gets fused, it again forms zygote, which is diploid. Zygote, which is 2n or diploid. 2n means diploid. Okay. So that means it helps to restore the chromosome number as well, from one generation to another generation as well. So this is the needs of mitosis we discussed. We discussed what is needs of meiosis. We discussed what is meiosis. We discussed what is mitosis and what is the importance of mitosis. So over here we discussed the cell division with a very clear manner. So hope you understood these topics nicely. Thank you.